This is our room air conditioner for a small bedroom. In the old days, we could run the vent out our window, but some knucklehead got the condo to pass a rule saying we can't vent outside our windows anymore. So what I've been doing is rolling the air conditioner over toward the door and sticking that hose out the door into our main room in our condo. But it means we can't close the door. So what I'm thinking of doing now is putting a hole in the wall over here in the corner and venting into our hallway. This is the hall. We only run the air conditioner at night when this door is closed and locked. So what I propose to do is put the hole here where the vent will be covered during the day by the open door, which we leave open all the time. And then at night, we'll close and lock that door, turn on the air conditioner, close our bedroom door and windows, and vent into this hall. And this is where the hall looks. And I don't know if there are any problems I'm missing. What problems am I missing?